This morning, when I was out watering the front yard, and so I noticed a little bird. His mother was quack, quack, quack. And so I looked down, I seen him, so I went back and go get something so I can put him in it. This is that story. Mother bird's walking up there. Wonder what she's looking for. Oh, her baby's on the ground. Let's see if we can help it. Save the little guy. Yeah. You need some help? Don't worry about my bird, I got him. Bless him, Lord, in Jesus' name. There we go. You're okay, I'll take care of you. He seems to be doing better now. He's starting to move around some. His parents are magpies, I think. It's okay, little buddy. I got you. We'll get you taken care of. There we go. He's hopping around. He's doing good. Oh, he's feisty. He's feisty. Yes, he's a feisty one. There he goes. Hey. Now I gotta find him. Now I only got 3 of these. I need 4 sides and a top. Let's make this work. Here we go. We're just gonna cut it this way. Yeah. Just quick and to the point. There we go. Now if you need shade, we got it. There he is. Quick and easy. Food and water. Here we go. Got a new addition to the family. A new visitor. Looking for his baby bird. Aha. There he is. Got to protect the little guy. I'm protecting them. I'm feeding and watering your birdie and keeping them from all harm. Where's harm? Dun, 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 dun. You're the one that kicked him out of the tree. I'm the one that saved him. He's okay.